play with the focal length of the camera. So select the camera, then go to the modifier toolbar. Then you can find here a lot of things like focal length, field of view. So I prefer play with focal length. So maybe make it around 32. It's make more wider to a camera. Okay, so and then make it more closer to our exterior like this. And also set target like this. So remember that smaller the focal length, the wider the view. Okay, done. Now let's go to the render setup, then make it corona. Okay, make sure make it corona, and then let's start interactive render. So let's see what happened. So here, as you can see, they're full black, there is no light. Okay, so first of all I wanna create HDRI lighting. So to create HDRI lighting, you need to go to the select material editor, then simply just select the corona and then corona bitmap. Now open the corona bitmap, just drag and drop, then you can find this pop-up. So here you need to select the HDRI. So fix the location, then I have HDRI over here, then okay. So here as you can see, corona bitmap. Now open the environment tab, just press 8 from your keyboard, then you can find the environment and effects pop-up. So here you need to place the corona bitmap over here, instance, make sure it instance. Okay, now you can see here, press F10, then lock the viewport, then you can see your HDRI now visible. Okay, that is your HDRI. Okay, now the view is real view is up here, but the problem is your scene is overexposed. So in that way you can play with simple exposure. So decrease the exposure, then you can balance the exposure over here, or you can add here like material, then corona, or another way you can add over here color correction. Okay, simply drag the color correction and then like this. So color correct. Here you can add corona color correction. Okay, so here you need to find the corona color correct and then link this. Then here you can decrease the exposure value, and don't forget to link again to your environment tab. So you need to again link over here, make sure it will instance. Okay, now you can see you can balance your lighting, your exposure like this. Okay, so you can use both way to control your lighting, daylighting. Okay, so our ground plane is missing, so in model I can place a plane over here. So just go to the standard primitives, then select plane, and then make a large ground like plane. Okay, so I have put this HDRI. So this HDRI better for our scene, that's why I put this HDRI. If you need this HDRI map, you can search the HDRI event, or maybe you can knock me, then I'll share the HDRI to you. Okay, so if I show you guys our site surrounding view, site environment, I have some photograph and videos, so you can see like this. This is my site. Okay, so in this project, in this site, okay, this is the site area. Already construction is started. To make it override, so in override you can choose material like solid material, so that you can control the lighting. Okay, so now here you can preserve the glass material, so preserve all glass material. Okay, so after complete the lighting or improvement some lighting design, you can deselect the material override. Okay, now we can play with the HDRI. So which position of your HDRI is better for this scene? You can control, you can rotate the HDRI from here. So go to the corona bitmap here, then you can rotation degree. Okay, so you can rotate like this. So which position is better for your scene? You need to fix the position. Okay, okay, I guess this position is better. After that, we can also create corona sun. So here just click the create corona sun, then drag like this. So this side is east and this is west, so sun from east to west, sun moving like this. Positioning the sun, you need to control it from this exposure 0.1 or 0.05, maybe 0.05. Okay, so maybe the morning sun I prefer. So now I'm gonna start the plantation. So as you can see here, the CAD layout have the references of all of your plants. Okay, so I have some tree models here, unhide all. So here have some basic plants. Okay, so you can find this kind of plants here, use Cosmos browser or other website. So you can here go to the vegetation, then trees. You can find a lot of plants over here. Okay, so now I start the plantation. So to make the plantation, this is two way. One is manually place the plants, all of your trees, or another way to create scatter. Okay, so there is I think in this case it's better to set the plants manually first, and then if need I'll use scatter. So I place the plantation according to the layout. Okay, I place it manually because of its control, to our own choice. I can place the for all partition according to my choice. Okay, so now need to just adjust like more natural way. This is the full site area that will up than our main ground. Okay, make it another camera. So just select the camera and drag like this, then make sure it will copy, not instance. Okay, okay, now let's check the output. Okay, so use noise modifier over this area so that it makes more, it looks more natural. Okay, so noise, so noise don't work because you need to increase the length steps, then width and height. You need to increase the steps like this. Now let's check. Okay, now it's look more natural. Adjust the camera a bit like this. So when you place the trees, make it instance, otherwise your scene will very large and it may lack your 3D scene. Okay, so also you can make it wire box or point cloud, so you can do that. People, you need to make it proxy. So in next day I'll show you how to make the proxy in your object. Okay, so in this workshop we'll some different parts so that the video will not too much lengthy. Okay, let's deactivate the material override, then let's see how it's look like the actual render. So just go to the scene tab, then here material, deselect the material override. Then let's check after implement the plantation how it's look like. Okay, just assign a ground material. So assign the ground material. Sign. Now it's look very cool. Make it UVW map, then box. Okay, let's check the basic output. So that's not final, that's the initial output. Okay, but today is not more. Next day I'll show you the final output of the rendering. So thanks for joining.